Family Fun Train! Yeah.
Hey guys, do you want to go to the park?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's go. Mount. I need mount. I need mount. What mount? This again.
You ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Go on, Emmy. Okay, you coming, Mary?
Yeah.
Awesome. And here comes Rachel. Hey, Mary. Say hi. Mary, where are you going to take your chipmunk? To the moon. To the moon. Emmy, say hi. What does she want?
She wants to go on the swings. Come on, Emily. Come on.
Whoa, Mary, that's really high.
Come on, you can come on that. Okay, let's do this one. Okay.
Oh, look. Emmy, say hi. Hi, Mary.
Mom, but he will say no running on this.
Well,
Else you can't. Else you're gonna get hurt.
well, then don't do it, huh? Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Rachel, what are you doing? Hey, Emily. Go up, Emmy. Can I tape you going down the slide?
Yeah.
Just 1 second, Mary Berry. I see you.
Hi.
Here she comes.
Mom did.
Oh, big girl, Mary. Here comes Emily.